Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? Hope everyone's doing well. Right, in today's vlog I'm going to be making lamb kebabs and I'm going to show you step by step how to make them, so please stay tuned and please do like and share and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoy my today's vlog. Thank you. 1 pound mincemeat inside the bowl, and I also have onions and potatoes and green chillies minced inside the mincemeat. That's laal Kashmiri mirch that's gone inside. That's the tandoori masala. That's the chillies. I jara garam masala paya. Okay, that's the coriander bit here, and that's the crushed chillies. Kasuri methi I'm going to add as well. And jara na besan paan lagi hai. Couple of teaspoons of those as well, and then jada na taza dhaniya paya, nimak paya, and that's the rest of the chilies as well there. And then I put in dhaniya powder as well. Now I've got some 2 medium-sized potatoes, and I'm just gonna grate them now. Right now I'm gonna be mixing up everything together, so the masala and the potatoes and everything, so it's gonna be all like mixed up now. The mixture's all completed now, so I'm going to put it in the fridge. I'm going to add some oil inside the frying pan. So मैं kebab भी तलांगी now, so that's the next stage. जड़ा ना मैं किमें टिक्कियाँ तैयार करन लगी हैं, so एक वारी जड़ी ने टिक्की में बनासा. So I'm just preparing all the kebab दियां टिक्कियाँ. That's one of them now, which I've just prepared. So I'm just going to carry on doing these. Now the tail is ready for the tikkiyan to go in. So just make sure that the oil is nice and warm. And tikki passa vich tel ch. And then just keep on moving them as well. ਹੁਣ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਾ ਤੱਕਣ ਲੱਗੀਆਂ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰਤਨ ਲੱਗੀਆਂ ਤੱਕਣ ਲੱਗੀਆਂ ਦੋ ਪਾਸੋਂ ਸੇਕ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਏ ਟਿੱਕੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ. So just keep on moving them guys. ਦੋ ਪਾਸੇ ਸੇਕ ਲੱਗੇ ਕੱਚੀ ਨਾ ਰਹੇ ਟਿੱਕੀ. ਆਰਾਮ ਨਾਲ ਪ੍ਰਤਨਾ. They're nearly ready now to come out of the oil. एक वारी टिक्की कट आने हैं. This is the final look of the lamb kebab guys. So I'm just going to show you from the inside as well. They're really nice and tasty. Honestly guys, please do try these out. And please do like and share and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. And take care. Thanks for watching. Khuda Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.